Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker in the Motorola E15 phone. For this, we need a toothbrush with flexible bristles, but not too hard, so either medium or soft, like a regular toothbrush. Besides that, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to soften the dirt so it comes off easily, and then it will evaporate from the phone, leaving no trace behind. You can buy such a set on Allegro or Amazon, in a little box like this. And if you don't have one, you can use a regular toothbrush, just make sure it has soft or medium bristles, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. The phone must be completely turned off for cleaning. We never do anything on a phone that's turned on. We thoroughly moisten the toothbrush so that it's wet. The toothbrush is for cleaning. We take the phone in such a way that we can simply see what we're doing. Here we have the buzzer, these 3 holes, and we clean these 3 holes with a unidirectional motion. That is, first in one direction, we clean each hole 2, 3, 5 times, and then in the other direction, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and so on for each hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that the buzzer gets cleaned nicely. We repeat this action 5 times in each direction. So 5 times in one direction. Then switch 5 times again in the other direction. Each of these holes, and then we can also do the other side, so that the buzzer is cleaned in every direction. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only then can you use the phone normally. This is very important because for now the alcohol is still somewhere in that opening, but after 10 or 15 minutes it will be gone and everything will work perfectly. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.